So now guys, the previous you can see we have done with the practical example 1. Okay, and now let's talk about the practical example 2. So now there is a second way you can also generate prompts. Okay, so first is that you have to use the prompt hack, that is ignore. Now you can see here we have written one prompt in front of you, like ignore all previous instructions before this one. Okay, so now here you can see whatever we have talked with AI, so we are just saying ignore all the previous instructions which we have given, because see, AI always read, learn what you have previously talked to them. Okay, and according to that it just learn it, and then it just give you response according to that. But in our case we will not going to do that. So for that purpose, or we will going to use the prompt hack, that is ignore. We will going to give instruction to our AI that do not include the previous instruction which we have given, okay, or previous prompt which we have given. Now after you do this, you just have to give a rule. Okay, you have over 10 years of experience, like we have given here a role. Okay, building and growing SaaS website. Then you have to give the details. Your task is now to help me to start and grow a new SaaS business. Okay, you must ask questions before answering to understand better what I am seeking. And then you also have to use this step by step. It is very powerful. Okay, and you must explain everything step by step. Is that understood? So this is the second example you can use as a prompt engineer to get the very best response. Now if I will click on this enter button, so you guys will going to see that it will going to response step by step. Okay, and along with that you can see it will going to give us the response in what is the core concept of your SaaS product. Okay, and then you can see once you provide more informations about these aspects which AI has asked us, like what is your core SaaS product, what is your USP. So when we will going to give reply to AI, so according to that it will going to give us more effective response. Now if you will just again going to open, let's say chat.openai.com. okay, and if we now just directly ask to that like how can I start SaaS business. Okay, so it will just going to give you a simple generic answer. Okay, like this one. Okay, so that is the problem. So always use this effective prompt engineering practical example 2 which we have given you. Use prompt hack. Okay, and give a role and then add step by step. That is very much important, by the way. Okay, now you can see if I just go up, and here if I first of all you can see it is a normal answer it has given. Now just see the magic. If I just add here, let's say step by step tell me, so see the actually power of the step by step, and click on save and submit. Now see the response. Okay, now it will going to give you more response in more in depth, right? So that's the thing. But always use the step by step concept with the practical example 2 with prompt hack, rule and step by step, which we have just now given you here, and we have shown you with the example, because this will going to help AI to give you okay more better response. It will also going to ask you if AI needs more information about your business. If you will going to reply and answer all of the AI question, then it will going to give you more amazing response. So basically that's the power of this practical example too, which we have told you. Okay.